What if I told you there are cheap upgrades that could have buyers fighting over your home? These aren't just any upgrades. They're proven to boost your home's value way more than they cost. Want to know what they are? Listen up, because I'm about to share some insider secrets that'll make your home irresistible to buyers. I'm talking about improvements that'll have them lining up around the block with checkbooks in hand. And the best part, you won't have to break the bank to make it happen. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone says it's a great time to sell, so why do I need to do anything to my house? But trust me on this. I'm not here to sugarcoat. I'm here to give you the real deal, backed by hard data and 20 years of experience in real estate. I'm going to break down the cost versus value of some of these upgrades. I'm talking concrete numbers, how much you'll spend and how much you'll get back. And let me tell you, some of these returns are mind-blowing. We're looking at ROIs of 95%, 100%, and even 150% in some cases. But here's the thing, it's not just about the money. These upgrades are going to transform your home. They'll create that wow factor that makes buyers fall in love the moment they step in through the door. And when buyers fall in love, that's when the magic happens. That's when you get multiple offers, bidding wars, and sales prices that'll make your neighbors' jaws drop. So are you ready to learn the secrets that'll turn your home into the hottest property on the block? Let's dive in and discover these game-changing upgrades that buyers just can't resist. Alright, let's talk about the outside of your house. You know that's the first impression buyers get before they even step inside. I want you to think about this. What's the first thing you notice when you drive up to a home? That's right, it's the exterior. And let me tell you, it matters more than you might think. Here's the thing, curb appeal isn't just about making your house look pretty. It's about making buyers fall in love before they even walk through the door. And the best part, some of these exterior upgrades can give you an incredible return on investment. Let's break it down. A new front door can give you an incredible 188% return on investment. That's like doubling your money. And don't even get me started on driveways. Resurfacing your driveway can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and overall value. Because buyers see a fresh, well-maintained driveway, it makes them just feel reassured about the property's overall condition. It makes them more willing to pay top dollar. And the best part, you don't have to hire a professional. With around $500 in materials and a bit of elbow grease, you can do it yourself in a day. It will save you a ton of money and it'll give you the satisfaction that you did it with your own hands. While this project can be tackled as a do-it-yourself project, it's important to follow the right steps to ensure a professional finish. For a detailed step-by-step guide on how to resurface your driveway, I've included a fantastic resource in the description box below. This video was created by Ron Hazelton and it walks you through the entire process from start to finish. Now, if you're thinking about adding a high-end deck, you're looking at a 92% return on investment. Remember, these aren't just numbers I'm pulling out of thin air. This is real data that shows how these improvements have historically increased home prices. Now, I promise I'm not forgetting about those of you on a budget. There are plenty of DIY ways to boost your curb appeal without breaking the bank. Ever thought about giving your front door a fresh coat of paint? Or how about updating those old exterior lights? These small changes will make a big difference. Now let's step outside and talk about something that's got buyers buzzing. Outdoor living spaces. You might be thinking, it's just a backyard, right? Well, not quite. These days, a well-designed outdoor area can feel like adding a whole new room to your house. And believe me, buyers are willing to pay for it. Here's a fun fact. A high-end patio can cost around $10,000, but it could add about $9,081 to your property value. That's almost a 91% return. So why are buyers so excited about these features? It's simple. They want a space to entertain, relax, and enjoy the fresh air without leaving home. Now I know that you're thinking, that sounds great, but I don't have that kind of money. Don't worry. I've got some budget-friendly tips to upgrade your backyard and boost your home's value. First, think about adding a pergola with string lights. It creates a defined space and adds a lot of charm. Those string lights really set the mood for evening gatherings. And the best part is you can find these pergolas on Amazon for under $300. Next, consider installing brick pavers. They're affordable, durable, and can make a huge difference in how your backyard looks and feels. Another great idea is using a weather-resistant area rug. It makes the space feel cozy and like an extension of your home, and it's an easy way to add some color and comfort. And don't forget about staging with some nice outdoor furniture. Look for sales or secondhand options to keep costs down. Stylish furniture helps buyers imagine themselves enjoying the space. Solar lights are another fantastic addition. They're an inexpensive way to light up your yard without any electrical work. They can highlight pathways and garden features, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And of course, regular maintenance is key. Keep everything clean, trim the plants, and replace anything that looks a bit worn down. It keeps your outdoor space looking sharp and inviting. Now that we've spruced up the outside, let's step inside and talk about where the real magic happens. I'm talking about interior upgrades that'll have buyers enchanted. And trust me, these aren't just any old improvements. I'm talking about changes that'll make your home stand out in a sea of cookie cutter listings. You know what's funny? People always think they need to gut their entire house to make it appealing, but that's not true at all. Sometimes it's the little things that make the big difference. And I'm about to show you how to get the most bang for your buck. Let's start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. Now I know what you're thinking, kitchen remodels cost a fortune, but here's something that'll make you sit up and take notice. A $10,000 investment in your kitchen can increase your home's value by $20,000 to $25,000. That's right, you could double your money or more. But what exactly should you focus on? Well, let me tell you, light is the name of the game. White cabinets with light countertops like white quartz are all the rage right now. They give that modern, sleek look that buyers are going crazy for. So let's say a full kitchen renovation isn't in the cards for you right now. No problem. There are still plenty of ways to give your kitchen a fresh and inviting feel without spending an arm and leg. I've mentioned this in several of my videos, that one of my cost-effective solutions to revamp a kitchen is to give the cabinets a fresh coat of paint and new hardware. Keep in mind that painting your cabinets is different from painting your walls, so you'll need a special kind of paint. Although this special paint is more expensive, the results will be totally worth it. My top choice for cabinet paint is Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel. That's a tongue twister for me. But this kind of paint is ideal to use on cabinets because it smooths itself out, so you won't see brush or roller marks after it dries. It also becomes very hard and smooth, like enamel, which makes it strong and long-lasting. Another cheap upgrade is adding battery-operated lights under your cabinets. These lights can be found on Amazon for under $20, and they help create a warm and welcoming ambiance in your kitchen. They're easy to install and require no wiring. Lastly, consider purchasing a kitchen island from sites like Wayfair or Amazon, where you can find affordable options for under $200. Not only does this add valuable storage and prep space, but it also serves as an eye-catching focal point. With these simple and budget-friendly improvements, you'll give your kitchen a remarkable wow factor, even without a full renovation. Now let's move on to the bathroom. Want to know what's hot in bathroom upgrades? Showers over tubs, especially with double shower heads. Buyers are falling head over heels for this feature and are willing to pay a lot more for the house because of it. And just like the kitchen, light colors are your friend. Light-colored tiles and modern fixtures can turn an ordinary bathroom into a spa-like retreat. But what if you're not looking to spend a lot of cash? That's fine too. There are plenty of budget-friendly do-it-yourself options that can give your bathroom a fresh look. Consider painting the vanity, replacing the mirror, or updating the light fixtures. Even something as simple as regrouting or recaulking the tiles can make a world of a difference. Remember, these upgrades aren't just about making your home look pretty. They're about creating a space that buyers can envision themselves living in. And when buyers can see themselves living in your home, that's when the magic happens. That's when you start seeing those offers roll in above asking price. Okay, so we've talked about some big ticket items that can really boost your home's value. But what if I told you there are little upgrades that can make a huge impact on how your home is perceived in a buyer's eyes? Let's start with something you're probably standing on right now, your floors. Have you ever considered the impact seamless flooring throughout your house can have? It's not just about looks, it creates a sense of flow, making your whole place feel bigger and more put together. Now, if you've got old carpets, listen up. You might be sitting on a gold mine without even knowing it. Ripping up that old carpet could reveal beautiful hardwood floors underneath. And here's the best part, refinishing those floors can be a do-it-yourself project that'll cost you just a few $100s and probably a weekend or two. You can rent a floor sander and buy the sandpaper from the tool rental center at your local Home Depot. The associates there can help you estimate how much sandpaper you'll need, and the nice thing is that any excess can be returned. Another affordable upgrade that most home sellers overlook is light switch plates. Switching out those old ivory plates for fresh white ones or even painting them to match your walls can instantly modernize your home. And if you really want to impress, try screwless wall plates. They give a sleek, seamless look that will make your house look more expensive. Here's another quick upgrade that can make a big impact. Framing those builder-grade mirrors in your bathrooms. It's a simple change, but it can make your bathroom feel like a fancy hotel. And the best part, it's as easy as measure, cut, stain, and glue. Remember, it's often these little details that can make or break a sale. They show buyers that your home has been well maintained and updated. And when buyers see that, they're more likely to fall in love with your place, increasing the chances of a quicker and profitable sale. Alright, you've seen the upgrades that can make your home irresistible, but how do you put it all together? Let's talk about strategy. Remember, it's not just about throwing money at your house, it's about being smart with your investments. Think of it like this. Every dollar you spend should be working for you, boosting your home's value. Now here's the deal. Different markets value different things. What works in Florida might not fly in Maryland. So do your homework. Look at what's selling in your area. It could be those luxury spa-like bathrooms, or maybe it's simple updates like fresh paint and new fixtures. And here's a pro tip. Balance is key. Don't go all in on one area and neglect the rest. A killer kitchen won't make up for a shabby exterior. Spread your budget around. Remember, we're aiming for that wow factor from the moment buyers see your home from the street to the time they walk in your front door. And there you have it, guys. I hope today's video has given you some valuable insights on maximizing your profits when selling your home. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more real estate tips and home improvement ideas. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Maryland, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description box below. And even if you're not in my area, I can connect you with a top-notch agent from my network. Feel free to drop any questions, ideas, or topics you'd like me to cover in the comment section below. Your feedback is always appreciated and helps me create even better content for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until next time, and take care.